Beginner YouTubers find it difficult to start their channels. But remember, the first step is the determiner of all your other plans. There are actionable tips you can take advantage of so that you can start your YouTube channel with a little more confidence. Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Number 8. Don't set very high expectations. As a beginner YouTuber, you feel fired up to create videos and start earning that money, especially when you watch how well your favorite YouTubers are doing. But one thing we caution beginner YouTubers is to scale down on your expectations of what being a YouTuber means. You watch videos and think, I can do this. And you can, but don't expect to achieve instant success. Being a YouTuber is hard work and needs dedication and patience. Creating a video doesn't mean just taking your camera or phone, shooting a video, then sitting back and starting to get tons of views. It takes time to film all the pieces you want to put in your video, editing, and making sure your video is professional. Even after all that, your video may not get any views for a while. Sure, there are those rare cases that a YouTuber becomes successful in a short time, but setting your expectations too high sets you up for disappointment, which may cause you to drop off and give up on your vision altogether. Number 7. Figure out what kind of content you want to create. Saying you want to be a successful YouTuber doesn't cut it when you have no idea what you want to create your content on. In other words, you have to choose a niche. A niche is a specific segment of the market for a particular product or service. For example, if you love gaming and would like to create content around it, you have already chosen your niche. Choosing your niche allows you to be specific, which gives you a stand with your target audience. Many beginner YouTubers make the mistake of creating posts on many niches to test the waters. But before you can create a YouTube channel, figure out what content you want to write and what audience you want to target. For example, Mr. Nightmare creates scary videos on his channel, which is his niche. Picking a niche that you're passionate about allows you to come up with regular ideas, which helps you to keep creating content for a long time. If your passion is not marketable at the moment, you can create content in a niche you feel comfortable in, and one that can give you tons of views. Posting in different niches also misleads the YouTube algorithm, which prevents it from pushing your content to the right audience. Before we continue, make sure to stay focused because the following tips are going to be a game changer for you. Number 6. Choose your channel name. Before you can get started on YouTube, you need to figure out what the name of your channel is going to be. You want to choose a name that communicates to your viewers what kind of content you want to create. Many YouTubers choose their own names or find a name that matches the content that they're creating. It is important to choose a name you're sure of because when you create your brand, that's the name your viewers, subscribers, and advertisers will identify you with, and your name will remain with you forever. For example, Jamie Oliver is a YouTuber that creates content on the food niche. He uses his name, which is one way to name a channel that many creators have adopted. Other creators mash up their name with their niche. Another example is Jean-Pierre, who is a professional chef with 54 years of experience and has merged his name with his niche to create Chef Jean-Pierre. You can merge your name with your niche. If you are in the fitness niche, you can have a name such as Get Fit with Joe. Naming your channel identifies you with your target audience and helps you get repeat viewers and subscribers. It also helps you with search engine optimization or SEO when people are searching for content in your niche. Picking a name such as Pussycat Goddess for your cooking channel probably won't work. People interested in cooking would think you're a tarot reader or the ruler of cats. Number 5. Create your channel. When you choose a channel name that resonates with the message you want to send out to the world, you can create your YouTube channel and start uploading videos. Creating your channel is very easy as long as you have a Gmail account. Create a channel. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and click on Create a Channel. Customize your channel. Add your photo and banner image. A banner image is very important as it tells your viewer what your channel is about, so make sure you create a professional yet interesting banner. You can put a photo or logo as your profile picture. Add a channel description. This tells people who you are, what the viewer can expect from you, and what your channel is about. Create a good description that motivates people to subscribe to your channel. Don't make it too long as it turns viewers away. No one wants to read a long description. Upload content. Now that your channel is completed, it's time to start uploading. You can create videos by clicking on the Create button in the top right corner of your channel. Select Upload and drag and drop your selected files. Note that your files remain private until you publish them. And there you go. You have your complete account and can start looking into ways of making its growth graph start curving from 0 upward. Number 4. create your uploading schedule. First things first, when you're starting, you're eager to post every single day and have probably made videos that will last you a month. But what happens when you run out of videos and don't have the time to create one every day? You'd go out of your mind and eventually give up. That's why we recommend that you post 1 to 2 videos a week. This gives you room to create quality content. This is because you've had the time to edit and preview your content before it goes live. After you've created your videos, you need to have a consistent schedule on which to post content. For example, if you post 1 video a week on Friday, stick to Friday. This is because your viewers expect your content to drop on that day, and if you keep changing your posting schedule, you might lose viewers. Being consistent with your channel and videos helps you to grow a lot quicker on YouTube. This is because the algorithm realizes it, which allows them to know which days and specifically what time they can push your videos out to the intended viewers. It also creates a good routine for your audience, which helps you gain consistent viewers. Figure out your creation schedule and stick to it to allow establishing a routine. YouTube, when it realizes that you have a routine, helps you push your videos to the right audience, which is a way of promoting your videos. Number 3. Set realistic goals for your channel. Setting goals in every aspect of your life is very important because it motivates you to strive harder to achieve them. The same case applies to your business. You set goals and do everything you can to accomplish them. And because YouTube is your business, you need to set your goals. You don't have to set lifetime goals for your channel. You can set 1-year goals and start working towards reaching them. For example, you can set your subscriber goal to 5,000 in 1 year. To make it easier for you, break those goals into smaller chunks and start from there. If you want to get 10,000 subscribers in a year, that translates to 417 subscribers a month. Sometimes you may get more and other times less, but the important thing is that you're progressing. Many beginner YouTubers are under the impression that they'll come on YouTube, whip up a couple of videos, and blow up overnight. We hate to disappoint you, but that's not how it works. Setting realistic goals allows you to stay motivated even when you don't feel like things are working at the moment. Setting a 200,000 subscriber goal is unrealistic when you're starting, and you might be frustrated by the snail's pace your YouTube growth is progressing at and cause you to give up. Some people are lucky enough to achieve notable success in a short while, but if you're not getting the results you'd hope for, don't give up. Set realistic goals so that when you don't achieve them, you'd be able to shake it off and get right back at it. Number 2. Focus on keywords. If you're a beginner YouTuber, one very crucial tip that you should practice is optimizing your keywords. Keyword optimization is the process of searching, analyzing, and picking the best ones to use to drive traffic to your channel. There is so much more to YouTube than just dropping videos, such as metrics, optimization, fair use, among other things. Educating yourself on these things can put you ahead of other beginners and help you create better content. Back to keyword optimization. You need to know the type of keywords that many people are searching for and incorporate them in your video. Doing that gets the YouTube algorithm to notice you and pushes your videos to more viewers, which helps you grow your channel. For example, if your video is about gaming devices, you can optimize your title to reach more people. You can write a title such as 20 Best Gaming Devices. You have optimized your title by specifying the number of gaming devices you want to talk about, and also the quality of these devices. YouTube then picks your keywords and uses them to promote your videos to the target audience, or puts your video in the suggested video feed. It may seem overwhelming at first, but some tools can help simplify your work, such as TubeBuddy, which helps you to know the trending keywords. Optimize your titles, tags, descriptions, and on your voiceover. Slide in the keyword naturally, and it will make your channel grow faster. To know how your keywords are doing, you need to learn about YouTube Analytics. Analytics tells you what's working and what's not, so you can tweak a few areas to optimize your content. Before we get into number 1, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. And make sure to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Number 1, promote your videos. Many beginners make the mistake of thinking that dropping videos to YouTube is the end of it, but that couldn't be further from the truth. You can't gain success if you don't market yourself. Sure, YouTube promotes your videos and facilitates growth, but how fast your channels grow depends on you. How much work are you willing to put into it? How are you going to get your content to reach a diverse audience? Well, we all start at 0 subscribers and 0 views and work our way up. With the help of social platforms such as Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, TikTok, among others, you can reach people and get them acquainted with your content. We know what you're thinking. Am I good enough? Can I make my channel as successful as I want it to be? The answer to both of your questions is a resounding yes. Put that link out there. After all, what's the worst that can happen? As a beginner YouTuber, putting your message out there makes people know that you're serious about what you're doing and are likely to give you a chance. But like we said before, don't set your expectations too high or you might be disappointed. Do it with an open mind, and you'll see things starting to take shape soon. Make sure to check out the next video. You're going to get a ton of value